Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cover stitch machines that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to elevate your sewing projects with professional level finishes, this video is for you. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. Coming in at number 5 is the Janome CoverPro 900 CPX cover stitch machine. This machine offers a sleek, compact design that works beautifully for lightweight home use. It features an easy-to-operate user interface with clear stitch pattern dials, making it an excellent choice for beginners who want to explore cover stitching. With dimensions of 17 by 19 by 15 inches, it's a bit larger than some competitors, but the extra space allows for flexible maneuvering of larger fabrics. Performance-wise, the CoverPro 900 CPX does a solid job at producing clean, consistent stitches on most fabric types. However, this machine shines brightest on lightweight and medium-weight fabrics, thanks to its user-friendly design and stable feed system. That said, it lacks some advanced features like an automatic tension system, so it may require more manual adjustments for trickier fabrics like stretchy knits. The value here lies in its simplicity and reliability. While it doesn't offer the bells and whistles of higher-end models, it's a dependable option for hobbyists who want to add professional-looking hems and finishes to their projects. On the downside, the weight of 23 pounds makes it less portable than other machines in this list. Overall, it's a great entry-level cover stitch machine, but it may not satisfy those looking for high-end functionality or speed. At number 4, we have the Juki MCS 1600 cover stitch and chain stitch sewing machine. Known for its reliability and precision, this machine offers a professional-grade sewing experience at an accessible price point. Its standout features include a differential feed adjustment for perfectly smooth seams and its super easy looper threading system, which significantly reduces setup time. With a stitching speed of 1,350 stitches per minute, it's one of the faster options on the market. The design leans toward practicality, with a compact frame measuring 15.5 by 13.5 by 14 inches. The build quality is excellent, as expected from Juki, with durable components that ensure long-term performance. The machine handles a variety of fabrics well, including knits and woven materials, making it a versatile choice for garment construction and home projects. However, at nearly 20 pounds, it's not the most portable option. This model is ideal for intermediate to advanced users who want precision stitching without the steep learning curve. On the downside, some users report that the looper threading mechanism, while innovative, can be tricky to master initially. Overall, the Juki MCS 1600 offers excellent value for those seeking speed and reliability in a compact package. At number 3 is the Juki MCS 1500 cover stitch and chain stitch machine. This model is a favorite among sewing enthusiasts for its combination of speed, precision, and user-friendly design. It offers a stitching speed of up to 1,350 stitches per minute and features an adjustable differential feed for smooth, pucker-free seams. The super easy looper threading system is a standout feature, allowing you to thread the machine in seconds with minimal fuss. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy frame and a compact footprint measuring 14 by 15.5 by 13.5 inches. This makes it a great option for those who want a powerful machine without taking up too much space. The MCS 1500 is particularly adept at handling a variety of fabrics, from stretchy knits to delicate wovens, making it a versatile choice for garment construction and home decor projects. The machine is perfect for users who prioritize speed and efficiency. However, it does lack some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, like an automatic tension system. Additionally, at just 1 pound in weight, it's surprisingly lightweight, which may impact stability during high-speed sewing. Overall, the Juki MCS 1500 is a reliable, high-performing machine that delivers professional results at a mid-range price point. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Janome CoverPro 1000 CPX. This machine is a powerhouse, combining industrial-grade performance with a user-friendly design. It features Janome's seam tightening system, which ensures a flat, secure stitch on a variety of fabrics. The extra-large bed space and long arm design make it perfect for bulky projects and fabrics that require more maneuverability. Performance-wise, the 1000 CPX impresses with its consistent stitch quality and high-speed operation. The snap-on pressure foot is a convenient addition, allowing for quick changes between projects. With a weight of 23.1 pounds and dimensions of 16.5 by 14.25 by 19.25 inches, it's a hefty machine, but the robust build ensures durability and stability. This model is best suited for experienced users who need a heavy-duty machine for professional-level projects. The only drawback is that it may feel overwhelming for beginners due to its size and advanced features. However, if you're looking for a machine that can handle everything from stretchy knits to heavy denim, the Janome CoverPro 1000 CPX is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Singer Professional 14968 DC Heavy-Duty Metal Frame Serger Overlock and Accessory Kit. This machine is an all-in-one solution for both cover stitching and overlocking, offering a versatile 2-3-4-5 stitch capability. It also features a fully automatic self-adjusting tension system, making it easy to achieve consistent, balanced stitches across a variety of fabrics. The design is compact yet robust, with dimensions of 12.5 by 11 by 14 inches and a weight of 18.6 pounds. The included accessories, such as multiple presser feet and tools, add incredible value, making it a fantastic option for those who want everything they need in one package. The attachable clean pocket is a thoughtful touch, keeping your workspace tidy during large projects. With a sewing speed of up to 1,300 stitches per minute. This machine is perfect for high-volume projects. The differential feed ensures pucker-free seams, even on stretchy fabrics, while the easy threading diagram simplifies setup. While its price tag of $619.99 places it at the higher end of the spectrum, the features and accessories make it a worthwhile investment for serious sewists. If you're looking for a professional-grade machine that combines versatility, speed, and ease of use, the Singer Professional 14T968 DC is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in narrowing down your options for the best cover stitch machine. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Have any questions? Leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next one.